The 2026 Kingston and St Andrew Football Association Business House competition kicked off on Saturday at the Constant Spring Field with action in both Divisions 1 and 2.
The opening Division 2 encounter saw Ibex and Kingston Freeport Terminal share the points in an entertaining 1-1 draw. After a tightly contested first quarter of the game, Antonio Reid fired Ibex ahead in the 36th minute. However, Kingston Freeport Terminal responded through Steve Makuti, who found the equalizer in the 67th minute to ensure the spoils were shared.
All right, so I think we started off a little flat. For the first 15 to 20 minutes, we were a little flat, and we gave up maybe a few easy passes that we shouldn't have. But we got the goal, and we went ahead, and then our confidence, we started to play ball like how we know how to play ball.
Well, this game we are a little bit disappointed because we came to win. We did enough to win the game, but we didn't convert all our chances, and we settled for a draw.
In Division 1, last season's runners-up, National Housing Trust and the newly promoted Scotiabank played to a goalless draw. Both sides squandered several chances, but were denied by solid defending, good goalkeeping, and missed opportunities in front of goal. President of the Kingston and St Andrew Business House Football, Wayne Shaw, is looking forward to a competitive season in both divisions.
We have 20 teams this year, 9 in Division 1 and 11 in Division 2. So we expect some good football. We'll continue on Wednesday, on Thursday, and then Saturday again with some double headers.
First-time entrants Caramed won the dress parade, with Wasinko, as they did last season, claiming second place. The competition continues on Saturday with 5 games. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.